The Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X is a sleek, lightweight laptop with a standout Snapdragon X Elite processor, designed for productivity and efficiency. Design and build. The Yoga Slim 7X maintains Lenovo's reputation for excellent build quality. It's slim, durable, and stylish, making it an attractive choice for professionals and students. The 14.5-inch display features sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and excellent brightness, enhancing the overall user experience for work and media consumption. Performance. Powered by the Snapdragon X Elite chipset, the Yoga Slim 7X delivers impressive performance for everyday tasks. It handles multitasking seamlessly, with configurations offering up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB. While it isn't designed for heavy gaming or intensive 3D rendering, it performs well with general productivity tasks, light video editing, and creative work. Battery life. Battery life is a standout feature, thanks to the ARM-based processor. The device can achieve up to 18 hours on light usage, such as video playback, and around 10 hours with mixed use. This long-lasting performance rivals even some of the best Apple laptop software and features. Running Windows 11, the Yoga Slim 7X integrates AI features like Microsoft's Copilot, offering tools for productivity, design, and collaboration. These features are useful for some users but might not impress everyone. Camera and audio. The laptop includes a 1080p IR camera, suitable for video conferencing, with support for Windows Hello. The audio quality is decent, offering clear sound for calls and media playback. Overall, the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X is an excellent option for users who prioritize portability, battery life, and a seamless Windows experience. While not ideal for hardcore gaming or niche software needs, it's a powerful and efficient tool for general productivity and media consumption. Thank you so much.